Hi everyone, this is Sudhakar. Today we are going to learn about friction. Objectives of this class. On completion of this period, you would be able to know about advantages of friction, disadvantages of friction, and minimizing methods of friction. Recap. In the previous topic, we discussed types of friction. There are three types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction, and rolling friction. Laws of friction. What are the laws of friction? We have already learned. And normal reaction. What is the definition for normal reaction? Further, today we are going to discuss about advantages of friction. So, what are the advantages of friction? That is safe walking. So, friction, advantages of friction. So, there are more advantages in friction. So, that is the first point of advantages of friction is safe walking. So, by using friction, we can walk safely. So, if there is no friction, so we can skid and our skin ruptured in case of without friction. So that's why safe walking is enabled due to advantages of friction. So lighting a matchstick. A matchstick can light up with due to the friction between the surface of matchbox and matchstick. Holding an object. So one of the advantages of friction is we can hold object by hand, so due to that friction. So writing with a chalk piece on the board. So when we are writing chalk piece, when we are writing with a chalk piece on the board, or when we are writing with a pen on the paper, it is possible due to the friction between the paper and pen. Fixing objects on walls. So just like nails, we can fix nails on the walls, we can fix screws on the boards. It is possible due to the friction. Stopping vehicles by applying brakes. So vehicles are stopped due to the when we are applying brakes. So brakes are applied due to the friction between the parts of the vehicles. Transmission of power from motor to machine parts with the help of conveyor belts. That is only possible due to the transfer of power from motor to machine parts by using conveyor belt due to the friction. So let us see. Friction enables us to walk without slipping. So let us see. This is the example for how we can walk. That is, it is because of the friction between the sole of the shoe and ground prevents us from slipping. When we are walking by wearing shoes, so the gripping between the shoe and ground, so friction occurs between the grip of the shoe and ground. So due to that we can't slipping. So while walking, we push the ground backwards and the force of friction acts in the upwards direction. So that is in the forward direction and prevents up from slipping by making the balance. That is when we are walking. So what happening? So we push the ground backward. So we push the ground backward with the foot. So then friction acts in the opposite direction. So that's why we can't slip. So walking. So this is the example for friction. Friction helps us to walk. So let us see. Walking on the slippery ground, it is difficult because friction on slippery ground is less due to which we may slip. That is so there is not sufficient friction at slippery grounds. So due to that it is impossible to walk safely on slippery grounds. So friction enables a car to move on road without skidding. So that is due to the friction cars move safely on the roads. If there were no friction, car would stay where it was. So that is if there is no friction, what happens? So the car will stay where it is. Friction enables us to write and draw on paper. So that is when we are using by chalk piece on the board, as well as when we are writing by using pen on paper. So that is it is possible due to the friction. Friction enables us to pick up and hold things on our hands. So just like when we are holding a pen, when we are holding a bag, when we are holding an electric object, so it is possible due to the friction, so between the object and hand. So friction enables us to light a matchstick. So let us see, this is the matchstick. So it is possible to due to the friction between the surface of matchbox as well as matchstick. So these are the advantages of friction. Disadvantages of friction, that is friction wears away the soles of our shoes. So that is when we walk on the road, tiny surfaces of the shoe keep on breaking off slowly, due to which the sole of our shoe wear out slowly. That is when we are using shoes or when we are using chappals walking on the road, what happened? After a certain time the shoes are wear out due to the small teeny particles or teeny surfaces of shoe contact with the road. Due to that it will wear out. Types of vehicles wear out. Tires of vehicles wear out gradually due to friction. So let us see in daily life, we can see we were observed that tires of cycles, automobiles as well as cars wear out because of friction between the tires and the road. Due to that the tires of automobiles or vehicles are wear out. As well as friction wears out the brake pads of vehicles gradually. Brake pads are inside of the vehicles, they are gradually wear out due to continuously applying brakes. Their friction occurs between the brakes and their surfaces. Due to that they can wear out. Friction wears out steps of staircase in building and foot over bridges. It is also we can observe in daily life what happening. The steps of staircases of building can wear out due to continuous walking on the steps. Friction slows down motion. So friction, what is the disadvantage of another of friction? That is it slows down the motion. That is friction reduces the motion of moving parts of a machine. In fact, all the moving things such as cars, buses, airplanes, boats, ships, etc. are slowed down by friction. That is friction which always opposes the motion of the body. That's why so these automobiles, aeroplanes are their speed, that is nothing but they can slow down the motion of the automobiles. Disadvantages of friction further. The main disadvantage of friction is that it produces heat in various parts of machines. In this way, some useful energy is wasted as heat energy. So, where continuously running machine parts, due to that the surfaces are continuously contact with one another, then heat produces between the surfaces. So due to friction we have to exert more power in machines. That is, due to friction we have to use or we have to exert more power in machines. It opposes the motion, that is, friction opposes the motion. Due to friction, noise is also produced in machines. Due to friction, noise also produced. Continuous running of machines, what happened? The machine parts wear out due to that noise also produced in machines. Due to friction, engines of automobiles consume more fuel, which is a money loss. It is also due to continuous friction occur in between the parts of the machines. What happened? So they consumes more fuel. It is also what happens? Fuel. It is a money loss. Disadvantage of friction further. Friction produces heat. Friction wears out rubbing surfaces. Friction produces noise. Reducing friction. How to reduce, how to minimize friction? That is, friction can be reduced by using lubricants like powders or oils and greases. That is, by using lubricants we can reduce the friction. Using rollers or wheels, by using rollers or wheels we can reduce the friction. Using ball bearings, that is, by using the ball bearings in automobiles also we can reduce the friction. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce friction. That is, when we are playing carom board, always we can use powder. So when we sprinkle powder on the carom board, the coins are moves smoothly. Other than what happens, they moves roughly. That is, the motion of the coins is slowed when we are not sprinkled or we are not used powder on the carom board. Oil or grease is applied between moving parts of machine, reduces friction. That is, oil or grease. So these are lubricants. When we are using the machine parts, they can move the machine parts easily by reducing the friction. Rollers are used in luggage bags to reduce friction. That is, we are dragging luggage bag, when we are using the rollers it moves easily. That is, it reduces the friction. Wheels are used in vehicles to reduce friction. So that is, wheels are used in vehicles to reduce the friction. When we are using wheels for vehicles, it reduces the friction. Ball bearings are used in ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles to reduce friction. That is, when we are observe the ceiling fan, it moves fastly. So due to because of we are using ball bearings on the in fans, as well as by using ball bearings, bicycles, vehicles, we can reduce the friction. So that is methods of reducing friction. That is, polishing, lubricants, using ball bearings, streamlining, as well as use a correct combination of surface in contact, so we can reduce the friction. So that is, these are the reducing methods of friction. Summary: we discussed about advantages of friction, disadvantages of friction, minimizing methods of friction. So let us take a quiz. A matchstick is fixed due to, a matchstick is fired due to friction. That is the answer. Knots can be tied due to friction. Friction exists between two surfaces. That is, option A is are separate or in contact, both A and B. D is none. That is, answer is are in contact. That is, friction exists between the two surfaces in contact. Friction always opposes the motion of the body. That is the answer. Motion of the body is the answer. Lubricants are used to reduce the friction or decrease the friction. So that is, decrease is the answer. So this is the today's class. Thank you.